Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here to show y'all some ephemera that I made using Daisy, who is Tusami Rose here on YouTube. And she has a Facebook group called Junk Journal Cool Kids. And we have a monthly challenge going on where you take the bingo card and use any 5 words on the card and make some ephemera. So in other words, we're using the bingo card to amp up our ephemera stock. Okay, so I'm gonna put these aside and I'll show you all what I have made. We'll start with this one. Now this one, I did a word, a book page, tape measure, sequin, stamp, flower element. Okay, here I took 2 handmade by me doilies, a stamp, I stapled something which is on the card, 3 buttons, and some lace. On this one here, I did something blue, a tiny bow, flower element, cheesecloth, mesh, and some sequins. Okay. And on this one, I used a napkin, a flag with a word, a button, tickets, bling, and a sequin. Here, I used again part of the bingo card, a napkin, fabric, book paper, some tickets, flat back pearl, and I sewed it all together. On here, I used again another one of my crochet doilies, some mesh fabric, sequin fabric, which is also mesh, and then I have some regular fabric with some tulle on top. Then I have this fabric applique with a little heart in the middle. And here we have book paper, 3 buttons, flat back pearl, and fabric. Okay? And then here we have fabric, lace, stamp, and 2 appliques. Okay? And then here we have mesh fabric, batting, lace, fabric, and a flower. This is all what I have made so far for the challenge for this month. So I will link her group down below in the comment section. And I would like to thank you all for watching. Please be kind, stay crafty, stay safe. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. I will see you in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.